What's going on everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today we are going to find the perfect solution if you cannot keep your hands off your phone and just keep on checking it quite often. With the help of these minimal launchers, you'll at least reduce your phone addiction. With that being said, let's get straight to it. Introducing the first app, a Decluttered Launcher. A Decluttered Launcher brings your smartphone functionality you need in a simple and elegant format. On the home screen, you get to select 4 apps of your choice, and on the top left you can find clock, and on the top right you can find events. To change any app on the home screen, just hold on the app and select any replacement app that you wish. You also get the dark mode, which looks elegant and also saves some battery in the way, and in addition to that you get swipe gestures for Google search and app drawer. In my test, I found the gestures would interrupt the experience, and only 4 apps to select on home screen is not enough. At least few more would be good, but try it yourself. The link will be in the description below. Next we have Lunar Launcher. Lunar Launcher is one of the most simplistic launcher you can find in the Play Store. Once you fire up Lunar Launcher, you will be presented with 3 pages. The middle page will ask you to add some favorites, and it means favorite apps up to 7. The page on the left will show you more launcher options, and the page on the right basically shows a list of all your applications. It's the regular app drawer. As far as launcher options are concerned, they are all allocated on the left page, and they all fit on that page without needing to scroll down or anything of that sort. This launcher offers you to tweak icon visibility, hide certain application, change order of your favorite application, set a wallpaper, change the color of your background, and also change the text color inside the launcher. That's more or less as far as options are concerned, though you can also get in touch with the app's developer from that page. Moving on to the next launcher, we have Slim Launcher. Slim Launcher, as the name suggests, is the slimmest launcher with lots of well thought out features. The main page has everything covered, like on top you can find clock with date, and you can select up to 5 apps of your choice, which by the way is hard to change. And on the right corner you can find camera, and on the left you can find phone, which is really a well thought out thing. The launcher has one important thing, that is you can add notes. The reason is simple: the launcher does not provide you with app drawer, and hence making you stick to those apps that you have selected. So if you are in hurry, you cannot get to the app drawer, so select those apps which are really important. Get into preference and you find 6 themes to select from. Here you can edit apps that you selected on home screen, and the apps can be arranged as well. I should not be biased, but out of all the apps in the list, this is my favorite. The next launcher is Indestructible. This is another minimal launcher. Here you get 2 pages. One is home screen, where you have all the basic things such as time, date, day, and you also get access to calls and tasks. But you cannot get favorite apps to select as found in the rest of the launcher in the list. And below you find settings. On the next page you get the app drawer with search option present. Jumping into settings, you find device and launcher settings along with themes for dark theme or white theme. And the last launcher is Less Phone Launcher. It has all the settings similar to that of a typical minimal launcher, like the time, date, 4 apps of your choice, the dialer, and launcher settings. And here too you don't get the app drawer, which is a good thing. In addition to that, you get some features by purchasing the pro features. Okay, the thing that I did not like is to get the dark mode you have to pay for it. With so many options available, it's really hard for anyone to go with this launcher if you have to pay for the dark mode as well. Other than that, everything is fine in this launcher. So guys, did you like the video? If so, then please do subscribe, and see you in another video. Peace out.